Sonic xg2431 versus zowie xl2546k. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video and watch the video till the end.
Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. First talk about panel type. ViewSonic provided IPS panel type and BenQ provided TN panel type. So ViewSonic is better. Now let's look at the screen size. ViewSonic provided 24 inches screen size and BenQ provided 24.5 inches screen size. So Zowie is better. Now let's look at the resolution. ViewSonic provided 1920 into 1080 full HD resolution and it is also provided by BenQ, so both are equal. Now let's look at the refresh rate. ViewSonic provided 240 Hz refresh rate and it is also provided by BenQ, so both are equal. Now let's look at the response time. ViewSonic provided 1 ms GTZ response time and it is also provided by BenQ, so both are equal. Now let's look at the color accuracy. ViewSonic provided excellent 99% sRGB coverage and BenQ provided average, so ViewSonic is better. Now let's look at the contrast ratio. ViewSonic provided 1000:1 contrast ratio and it is also provided by BenQ, so both are equal. Now let's look at the brightness. ViewSonic provided 350 nits brightness and BenQ provided 320 nits brightness, so ViewSonic is better. Now let's look at the ergonomics. ViewSonic provided tilt height pivot swivel and it is also provided by BenQ, so both are equal. Now let's look at the input lag. ViewSonic provided extremely low input lag and it is also available on BenQ, so both are equal. Now let's look at the ports. ViewSonic provided 2x HDMI 2.0, 1x DisplayPort 1.4 USB hub and BenQ provided 2x HDMI 2.0, 1x DisplayPort 1.2 USB hub. So ViewSonic is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of ViewSonic is estimated $350 and the estimate price of BenQ is $450. So ViewSonic is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.